Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And today I'm going to show you the Notion template, the Notion system that I use to basically keep track of all the short form clips that I have to do for my clients, etc. So basically, let's get started because it's pretty simple. So what I have is here is this. This would be like, for example, for one client. So let's say like client one. If this is for yourself, then this is just gonna be the short form videos, I guess. It's just gonna be for you. And what I have here is I basically have a database where I keep all the clips. So each clip is gonna be one entry in the database. And what I have is basically just the name of the clip, the client, which editor is gonna do the clip, the date where the clip is gonna be posted, and then we have the status on here. So you can see a status YouTube, a status Facebook, and status LinkedIn. Now let me show you what this is. So basically, the one that I use is the YouTube status. The other ones are kind of like just one thing, because once I post it on YouTube, then to then post it on Facebook and LinkedIn is just copy paste. You know what I mean? Like I just gotta copy paste the title and put it there. So I keep track of everything on the YouTube status. So here we can see all the different stages. So first of all, we have not started. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. Then cut, which means that the clip has been cut, meaning, you know, the footage of the clip is actually ready. We've gotten rid of all the us, all the repetition, everything like that. And the clip is ready to be edited. So basically, the clip is ready to be added the captions. So we can just add the captions right away. There's nothing else that we need to do on it. Then send to editor. This is when I send it to the editor for him to edit it, obviously. Received from editor. This is when he sends me the clip back. Then captions done is when I finally review it, because the way that it works is kind of like I send it to the editor, then I review it, make sure that everything's good, make a couple of tweaks, and then that's when it's done. And then we have this, which is basically scheduled send. This basically means once I've scheduled the video, I mark it like this, and this means that the video is done. It's like, okay, cool. We don't have to worry about this anymore. So let's just put this here on the calendar. Let's say that we have this video, right? Test one. It's like, okay, this video is cut. Okay, cool. I've sent it to the editor. Now he sent it back. Boom. I reviewed everything and I schedule the clip. Boom, here it is. So usually what I would have is this. Let's say that you want to post like 2 clips per day for yourself. It's like, okay, you have clip 1, etc. You know what I mean? Like just a bunch of clips. So you're gonna have like, okay, here we're gonna post 2 clips this day. The next day we have the next 2, and you can see it visually. This is a good thing, right? This is why I like this system. Is like I can see it visually on the calendar that I have 2 clips every single day. You know, it's like, okay, we got this clips, this clips, this clips, and I also show the status here. So obviously, like, you can go here and you can choose which properties are actually shown. I only show the status because I want to be able to look at the calendar and see where I'm at, you know? So I look at the calendar, I see that I have 2 clips for these days, and it's like, oh, but let's say they're all like sent to the editor, but they haven't gotten back to me. So it's like, okay, I have clips for all these days, but I'm still waiting on the editor to send them back. Now let's say that I have these ones that I've already received, and I'm like, okay, cool. What I can do now is I can just review these clips and schedule all of this. So I have clips for the next 2 days. We're good. And obviously, this is what I want to see. This would be the perfect scenario. It's like, okay, all the clips are done. Cool. We have clips ready for all these days. So I can already start working on the clips for the next week, you know. Now, this is going to work for you, even if it's just yourself. And you're using this to keep track of your own clips, and it's gonna be the same thing. Basically, it's like, now instead of send to editor, you are the editor. So it's gonna be like, okay, cut, and then it's gonna be, instead of received from editor, then edited, and then scheduled, So you can like tweak this to fit your own specific scenario, but this same system is gonna work pretty well. And then we have the same thing for Facebook and LinkedIn, just to make sure that it's posted everywhere. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, there's nothing else that I can really say about this system. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You can build it from scratch very easily if you know how to use Notion. So yeah, I hope you guys got some value from the video, and see you on the next one. Now, if you're a coach, a consultant, a podcaster, content creator, and you want help creating more short form content for yourself, then make sure to go on the description and head over to my website. There you can book a call with me and you can ask any questions that you might have. And I also have a video explaining everything, and you can read through it and see if you like it, right? So hope you guys got some value from this video, and see you on the next one.